Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Node.js package which allows you to extract data from a PDF file and save it as a TXT file. So the name of the package is pdf-parse. pdf-parse. What this package will do, if I run this script here, I have a PDF file right here available in the same directory, bulk file.pdf. So it contains multiple of pages right here. It contains some text. So when I run this Node.js script, it will extract all the data and actually store that data in a txt file. So if I run this now, node index.js. So here we just need to specify the output directory, sorry, the PDF file. So we simply write here bulk file.pdf. So we provide the path of the file. And now if I run the Node.js script here, so you will see on the left hand side it will create PDF to text conversion complete, and it will create this output.txt file. So now it will extract all the content in the PDF and save it as a txt file. So now let me show you. First of all, you just need to install this module. So we simply need to install this third-party module of Node.js npm i pdf-parse. I've already installed it. So now I will show you step by step. So for this you just need the file system module as well, and then you simply require this third-party module pdf-parse. After requiring it, you just need to specify the input file. So our input PDF file is present in the same directory, so we'll use the read file sync method to read the input file. So our input file name is bulk file, so I will just provide the path here. After providing the input PDF file here, you just need to say PDF. We simply call this third-party method package right here, and here we specify the actual PDF content here, which is located in this variable data buffer, and this actually returns a promise here. We can handle this promise by dot then, and this returns the actual text which is extracted. And here we can actually, after extracting the text, we can write this file here as a txt file here. So output.txt, and then we specify data.text. So all the data will be extracted and it will be stored. And so this is data buffer, sorry, data buffer. Just make sure the spelling is correct. And after that we can just show a simple notification message that PDF text extracted successfully. So this is the overall script, guys. If I once again run this, you will see it will actually extract the data. If I change the file name here, let's suppose output2, so it will create this file here, output2.txt. So once again it extracted all the text from the PDF and stored this. So in this easy way you can do this inside Node.js to extract data from PDF. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.